What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D, and I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY video. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make this beautiful picture frame decor. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. The material you need for this is going to be two 4x6 picture frames. You can use bigger if you like. Decors, which I made my decors on my Cricut. You're going to need spray paint, whatever color you choose, E6000 glue, and one candle holder. So you're going to start off by removing the back of the picture frame and removing the glass from the picture frame. After you remove those two, you're going to get a pair of pliers and you're going to remove like the silver tabs that holds everything together from the back, which I tried to remove by hand. It was really hard. So you just get a pair of pliers and they slide right on out.
Wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart. Issues left behind. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby.
Now on to the fun part. So I decided to spray paint outside because it was like a really nice day, and besides I wanted to just spray paint in like an open area. And with the temperature being like in the high 90s today, I also used that to my advantage for as getting my picture frames dried. Now for some reason, if that's not the case in your state or where you're at, you can always just allow them to dry overnight, or you can give them at least a good 8 hours before touching them.
Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize.
Doesn't that look beautiful? Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this paint, you guys. I love it. Look, it looks like it's 18 karat, like legitly. This is some of the best spray paint I can honestly say that I used on like a home decor that I actually like. So I'm just gonna go on and I'm going to spray the candle holder next.
And I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that that we made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to
Once your picture frames and your candle holder has dried completely, you want to take some glass cleaner, whatever glass cleaner you have, and you want to clean the glass that came out of the picture frame of any fingerprints, mirrors, anything like that. And that is because you're going to be able to see through one side to the other, and you're not going to want a whole bunch of fingerprints on there. But I do highly suggest that you clean with caution because the glass is like really thin and really fragile. Luckily, I had another picture frame there for another DIY project because I end up breaking one.
We won't waste any more time, yeah.
Now you want to take your two picture frames, which is as you can see, I did not spray paint the back of the picture frame. That's because they're going to be glued together. You're not going to be able to see them anyways. But you take your E6000 glue and you carefully put it on the inside of the frame where the glass is going to be at, and put the glass back in there and like press to the point where it's going to be able to stick and stay, but don't press too hard. Once again, the glass is fragile, so put you a good amount of glue there along the edges. Don't put too much because then once the picture frame goes down into the hole, it's going to cause the glue to ooze out, and then you're going to have glue everywhere. Then it's just going to cause more of a mess. So glue with caution.
We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night time get that good till we act right.
Okay, so between letting my picture frames dry overnight from gluing the glass in, I misplaced my decors, so I had to make another one, and I decided to go with gold this time. And to save the conveniency of having the outline and having the letters, I just put everything together on the Cricut and printed it out. Makes things a lot easier. And I decided to go with gold versus the black, and I like that one a little bit better. To place your decor on the inside of one picture frame, it doesn't matter which one because they're going to be glued together, but just make sure you try to center it much as possible. That way it can look right when you put the other picture frame in there, and it'll be pretty straight. So, and if you do have decors like I do, I had mine on my transfer paper, scrape lightly. I cannot stress that enough. I broke one glass, scrape lightly.
Know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. you for a lifetime underneath the moonlight. Cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah.
When gluing the two picture frames together, I suggest allowing it to dry overnight. That way, when you go to pick it up and sit it up right, it have a good secure bond to it. You are able to use the hot glue gun if you like, but I found it more effective if I did not use the hot glue gun and just allowed mine to dry overnight.
Fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. But we thought of you as someone who can love someone like me. But I was wrong, baby, now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us.
When it comes to the stand and gluing the picture frame to the stand, the same rule apply. Allow it to dry overnight and try not to touch it or put it somewhere where you know it's safe and secure, because if it slides off, then you're gonna have to do the whole process all over again. So what I did was I did not put glue on the whole candle holder. I just put glue on two of the sides of the candle holder. That way I have like a good secure bond on both sides, because the picture frame is not going to cover the whole candle holder anyways. This DIY is very eye-catching. You can put this in your bedroom, your office, your living room, any room in the house, and it will catch people's attention. What I did, I put mine in my living room on my end table with a candle, and it just gave it that look. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel, go hit that subscribe button. That way you will not miss an upload, and make sure your bell is on. And to my subscribers out there, I do love you guys. I truly, truly do. Until the next time, into the next Bougie on a Budget DIY video. Thanks for hanging out with your girl D. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.